In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook when it's not updating your email without needing a restart. If you've noticed that your emails aren't coming through unless you reboot your whole system, don't worry. We'll walk through a few simple steps to get things back on track. Let's begin by trying a quick trick that often solves the problem right away. Press the F9 key on your keyboard or navigate to the top of your screen and click on the Send/Receive menu. Once there, select Send/Receive all folders. This action manually prompts Outlook to update your inbox, bringing in any new emails that might have been held up. If this solves your problem, it's a sign that the issue might be with the auto-sync settings rather than a connectivity problem. If the manual update worked but Outlook continues failing to do this automatically, let's check the Send/Receive settings to ensure everything's set up correctly. Head to the File menu in the top left corner of Outlook. From there, select Options, then Advanced, and finally click on Send/Receive. You're looking for the setting labeled Schedule an automatic Send/Receive every X minutes. Ensure this option is enabled and preferably set it to something around 5 to 10 minutes. This time frame allows Outlook to regularly check for new messages at short intervals, keeping your inbox current without needing a complete restart. If this setting was turned off, it would make Outlook appear stuck and unresponsive until you restart it. Now, if your emails still aren't updating, it's time to ensure that Outlook isn't stuck in Work Offline mode. To do this, go back to the Send/Receive tab. Look for the Work Offline button. It should not be highlighted. If it is, that means Outlook won't be fetching new emails, and switching it back to online mode could solve your problem immediately. Just a simple click, and you should see Outlook start to connect and update your inbox automatically. By following these steps, you should be able to solve most update issues with Outlook. Remember, keeping your Send/Receive settings correct and making sure you're not in Work Offline mode are crucial steps in maintaining the functionality of your email client. If these steps don't completely fix the issue, you might want to consider other factors like a potential software update or checking in with your network settings. But these initial troubleshooting tips should hopefully get you sorted out quickly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you keep your Outlook running smoothly without unnecessary restarts.